In the quiet town of Maple Hollow, there lived a shy girl named Ava who loved reading more than anything else. One rainy afternoon, while exploring the attic, she discovered an old leather-bound book titled Tales of Hidden Courage. When she opened it, the pages shimmered with gold dust, and the words rearranged themselves into a glowing message. Courage isn't the absence of fear, but the choice to face it. Ready to explore? Ava blinked. Yes, she whispered. In a flash of light, Ava was pulled into the book. Ava found herself in the floating town of Bubblebrook, where everyone traveled on bubble bridges. But today, the bridges weren't working. The mayor, a fluffy cat named Mr. Whiskerwig, explained, only someone brave enough to bounce across the unpoppable bubble can fix the bridges. No one dared to try. Ava's heart raced. The bridge swayed, and the wind howled. But she took a deep breath and said, I'll do it. Step by step, bounce by bounce, Ava crossed the bubble. Everyone cheered as the bridges sparkled to life again. Next, Ava landed in the forest of fears, where trees whispered your worries out loud. As she walked through, she heard her own thoughts echo, you're not brave enough. You're just a kid. What if you fail? Suddenly, a gentle voice came from behind a tree. It was a firefly named Glimmer. Those voices are shadows. Want to know a secret? He said, glowing brightly. Shadows disappear when you shine. Ava stood tall. I am brave. I'm not giving up. The trees quieted, and the forest cleared, revealing a golden path forward. Ava climbed the Mount of Might, where a dragon named Glimmer guarded a sparkling starfruit tree. Why are you here? The dragon growled. I want to learn courage, Ava said, trembling. Glimmer raised his wings. Then prove it by helping someone else, even me. Ava looked into Glimmer's tired eyes. He was hurt, one wing drooped. She ran to gather herbs, bandaged his wing, and shared her lunch. Glimmer smiled. No one's ever helped me, he said softly. You are braver than any knight. He gave her a glowing starfruit. Ava opened her eyes. She was back in the attic, the magical book closed beside her, now with a golden feather tucked inside. From that day on, Ava still loved her books, but now, she also loved facing her fears. She helped new students feel welcome, tried out for the school play, and once even gave a speech. And every night, she whispered to the stars, I'm brave because I choose to be. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.